Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Emma and she's coming today for a redesign. So I removed her previous set, back down to the clear layer, prepped all her nails, and now we're going in with design. So here I'm using Berry Christmas from the Unicorn stem. It's kind of like a pinky red. Don't know how you would describe it. Yeah, like a pinky red. So I'm just going to bring this glitter all the way down the nail, kind of thicker at the cuticle area and thinner as it goes down to the tip into that point. I've done this a while ago. This set was inspired by a set that I did like a year ago. She came in with a picture. So yeah, I have got a similar video to this on YouTube, but whatever. It's new. It's a new year. Let's get a new video up. So yeah, I'm just going to bring that all the way down, keeping it nice and thin and making sure that I keep my shape nice and crisp. I will come and file it because it's kind of slightly on a slant. It was a little bit trickier, but hey. So yeah, once I've done that and I'm happy, I'll then cap that just thin line in crystal glass like so. I'm using my big boy brush today again, as per. You know when you just get obsessed with a product, like I go through stages, and I'm loving the big boy at the moment. I think because it's new, it's brand new, and it's still slightly in a point. I'm enjoying it. So yeah, we're just going to let that middle nail set. So I'm going to come in and do a wash of Very Berry on the baby finger. The last few days I've got like 6 Glitterbels acrylics, and I kind of avoid them only because I feel like they're it's a different texture. It's quite sticky. I find it more stickier to work with. I don't know why. But a lot of my clients have been asking for it, and I just thought, you know what, I'm going to use them, and I've actually quite enjoyed it, I'm not going to lie. So that's what I used on the base there, and then we're coming in with that glitter and just put it all over the top, so it's a nice full nail. Such a stunning glitter. So then the ring finger is going to be like a stripy marble sort of thing. So I'm coming in with Very Berry and Birthday Suit from CJP. I like to get my cuticle done out the way, and then I'm going to come in and do the stripy sort of blended. I always go to say marble, but it's not. I don't know. Like, well, I suppose it is like a little blended stripes. God, I don't know how to describe it. So yeah, just using those 2 colours, and then I'll come in with some glitter at the end. I've learnt my lesson. I know to leave it to set before you go in with your glitter. So the pointer finger is just going to be a full nail of Very Berry. Very Berry. So yeah, usually I really struggle with Very Berry because it's so pigmented, it's such a stunning colour. You see a little bit leaked into the cuticle, but it was only just stainage rather than any cuticle. Do you know what, it is late and this is my 3rd voiceover. My 3rd. So I'm getting a bit tired. I think it's about 11 o'clock. No, that's probably a lie. I can't see. So yeah, just a full nail of that. I'm just building up the colour here. So now I'm coming in with glitter. Now the nail's set, and you can just swipe you can just put the acrylic on and just swipe down, and it'll just leave a nice little line. So I'm just going to add some glitter where I think would look pretty. So yeah, I capped all those nails while I was waiting in crystal glass, and now this finger is just going to be a normal glitter fade using birthday suit and the glitter. She is due for a fresh set. Her thumbs really curve. Her nails curve completely. I know there's a way that you can resolve it. Yeah, I know, but I haven't got time for that. And my clients, she's like, I'll just have a fresh set next time, Tracy. It's no bother. So yeah, that's what we're going to do next time. So now I'm going to come in with my hand file. Now this now has dry, and I'm just going to try and crisp up these sides so they're dead straight. I'm afraid you must look elsewhere. So then down the sides, I'm going to come in with birthday suit, just tilt the nail on the side so it doesn't leak everywhere all into the side walls and God knows what. So yeah, that's just birthday suit. I'm just going to build up the colour. I'm going to do that on each side. So I didn't leave the full clip of me filing because you've seen me do it a million trillion times, but I thought I'd leave this part in because I know how much everyone likes to see a reveal. So once I filed it, it was a little bit thin, so I then capped this nail in crystal glass once I had filed it all. The other nail didn't need it, but this nail just did a little bit. It was just a little tad thin for my liking. So yeah, just going to file all the rest, shape them, buff them, and then we are ready for top coat. So now using my CJP tack free top gloss, I'm going to apply a layer of that over all her nails. She'll cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. I apply cherry and NAFF STUFF cuticle oil and we are good to go. So I'll leave a little clip at the end for you to see. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.